Out of all the business models and income streams that I talked about in this video series, my favorite one is building an email list. And with an email list, you could promote products to your fans and your subscribers time and time again. And basically, you'll just have more opportunities to promote things to them if you have a list. And another great thing about it is that you don't want to be too dependent on YouTube. YouTube can shut down your channel anytime, as they've done to many other YouTubers. So it's a way for you to gain your independence from YouTube, just in case. Having an email list is also a great way for you to build a relationship with your fans and your subscribers. And of course, you may have heard of the saying, the money is in the list. I promote affiliate products every day to my list and earn money every day because of that. And aside from the affiliate products, you can also promote your own products and merchandise. You can promote your Patreon page. You could just simply let them know of your latest videos. And basically, you could promote business models that I talked about in the previous videos. And it goes without saying, you should provide value as well to your list by giving them free tips and advice every once in a while, and not just always trying to sell them something. Now, when it comes to building your list, you will need some tools. You will need to build a squeeze page. A squeeze page is a web page that you need to collect email addresses from your leads. And although you can create it for free, there are video tutorials on YouTube for that. It's probably easiest for you just to use a tool. There are free and paid tools for creating squeeze pages. You just have to search for whatever is the right one for you. Another tool you'll need is an autoresponder. And an autoresponder allows you to collect leads, or build a database of subscribers, and automates several things such as sending out your thank you emails and other types of emails to your list, and also allows you to segment your list. And the autoresponder that I use is GetResponse. I've been using that for almost 10 years now. However, there are several autoresponders out there, so again, do your research and find whatever is the right one for you. So when you're creating a squeeze page and you're trying to get people to opt into your list, I do recommend that you offer a free gift. You could write up a free report. You could also just buy the rights to some ebooks or other types of products. But again, you could just spend a few minutes just writing a list of top tips, and it doesn't have to be 20 pages long. It could just be 1 or 2 pages long. Okay, so once you have your squeeze page set up, you would put a link in your YouTube description. You would say something to the effect of get more free tips from me here, or get your free video here. So for example, if you have a weight loss or a fitness channel, you could say something like, click here to find the best, or to find the 10 tips on how to get six-pack abs. You should know that when you're doing live streams on YouTube, you have the potential to earn some income. And basically, with YouTube's function called Super Chat, viewers can pay you just so that they could pin their comments on the top of the comment section of your live streams. So when you have a live stream going on, viewers will see a cash symbol in the chat window, and they can click it to set a dollar amount and then pin their comment. So basically, this is a way for fans to pay you money in exchange for attention. Google has described Super Chat as a highlighted message in the chat stream that stands out from the crowd to get even more of your favorite creators' attention. So after paying, your fans' comment will remain pinned to the top of the chat for up to 5 hours. And the more that a fan pays, the longer that the comment gets pinned to the top. A benefit of this feature, aside from the fact that you'll earn more money, is that it's a way to better connect with your biggest fans. However, Super Chat is only available to those who are part of the YouTube Partner Program. And keep in mind that YouTube takes about 30% of the Super Chat revenues.